This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisa Caplan. Spend the 2022 season at this elegant 4-bedroom, 2-bath, spacious home with family room, living room, formal dining room, and new kitchen with island. Beautifully designer decorated interior with attention to every detail makes this the perfect home away from home. Located on a Cul de Sac with an oversized secluded lot, and a spacious backyard, you can comfortably experience the outdoors and the seasonal Florida weather. Close to shopping, restaurants and recreation facilities. Minimum of 3 months, prefer 4. For more information, review the details below.